Most of us know that food waste is a problem, but you may not realize just how prevalent the issue has become in modern societies throughout the world. In fact, nearly half of fruits and vegetables get thrown out every day, and this will not stop unless we make an act beforehand.
We are students from SMK PUTERI AMPANG. We'd like to introduce our innovation called Scrapfree.
From what Mufliha has said, we know that food waste plays a huge role in the greenhouse effect. Lately, the rate of food waste has been increasing more than expected. Food waste also causes land pollution. The food waste also leads to the production of methane gas. How exactly does this relate? You see, the bacteria or microorganisms on the food waste will grow and spread, producing a gas called methane. Once the production of methane gas increases, the greenhouse effect and air pollution will increase and such. We can also reach two of the Sustainable Development Goals, which is climate change and world hunger.
Now we can finally introduce our innovation. Our innovation consists of a blender that composes the food waste into fertilizers. There is a solution included. The solution is used to destroy the cell structures of the tiny organisms to reduce the capability of spreading. So how exactly do we make our innovation? First off, we install a small grinder alongside a blender blade to ensure that harder food waste such as bones are crushed completely. Then, the solution is made out of mildly acidic substances such as lemon juice and vinegar. Garlic skins are added too. Baking soda is also added to absorb the foul smell of the garlic skin and vinegar.
What's so special about our innovation, you may ask? We don't use any chemicals. What's the use if we include chemicals when one of our objectives is to literally reduce the greenhouse effect? Moving on. The fertilizer will not leave any odor. The solution that we have innovated will absorb most of the lingering odor, so that it will be easier for us to maybe feed the chickens or pigs. Other than that, this solution is long-lasting too, because we need more capacity of it to ensure that the capability of the microorganisms to spread will decrease. Thus, this solution has the criteria of it.
So, how exactly did we come up with this innovation? First, we list out some of the least talked problems in the world. Then, we thought about food waste after some time. We made a lot of researches on how this affects the environment and why this needs to be stopped. Therefore, we were inspired to innovate something that could help to reduce the effects of the issues.
Okay, so let's talk about the cost. There are actually 3 sizes, each depending on how much food waste that is contributed in this specific area. Let's say the area is small and only less food waste is bestowed. Then the smaller size is suitable. As the smaller ones cost 65 ringgit, medium sizes is actually the most suitable choice and it costs 80 ringgit, and the larger size it costs 90 ringgit.
We have 2 ways to commercialize our innovation. First and foremost, we can advertise during commercial breaks in Astro since there will be a lot of people watching the show. Other than that, we can also advertise our innovation through social media in view that a lot of people like to scroll through their social media during their free time.